Mambukal Resort is officially in the township of Mambukal and is located within the boundaries of Murcia, Negros Occidental. As a township, it is directly governed by the provincial government of Negros Occidental. This is Mambukal Resort. The last time we were here, this building did not exist. It didn't have giant checkpoints for COVID or any of those kind of things. You just walked in. It's an open, high-end campground. Now it's an industrial complex to make money.
Sila? 150. 150 sama nito. Ako lang siyang budget ko rin sa anak ko. This used to be our house and also a camping. Downstairs is the store. We have upstairs where we sleep. We have underground. This is where my mom and dad met. And then the jail, the jail is over here. Si tatay dili nga bantay ang jail. Right here. Where tatay watch the jail.
The mountain resort is a 23-hectare or 56-acre in size. It was established as a hill station in 1923. A hill station served as a space for colonial structuring or segregated location between locals and Europeans. Basically, it was an institutional site for imperial power. From invariable sources, it was created through a provincial administrative order to serve as a weekend getaway for the officials of Negros and the provincial government and its guests. The first permanent structure was designed by Japanese architect Kokichi Paul Ishikawa. His bathhouse was built in 1927 and was part of a Republican Act number 1964, signed by President Carlos P. Garcia on June 22, 1957. This date commemorates in the annual Mud Pack Festival, named after the medicinal sulfuric mud available in the area. Mambukal is situated 1,200 feet above sea level and next to Mount Kaluna. Mount Kaluna has a natural or national park status and is protected. The area also encompasses territories of Murcia, La Castamela, Bago, and Negros Occidental, and Calaon City in Negros Oriental. I've never seen a sauna like this before. And it's boiling. Mambukal is home to several species protected under Republic Act 9147. The giant golden crown flying fox and the Philippine tube-nosed fruit bat. Their estimated numbers are between 7,500 and 8,000. Mambukal is also home to the Civic and the Visayan Water Bridge.
Where that big duck down when we do boat?
Yep. You can't boat in here no more. The reason you can't boat is because look over there right by the dock. It's boiling. The area's 7 waterfalls attract up to 320,000 visitors yearly, mostly from Negroes in neighboring Panay, along with Korean, Australian, and American populations of Bacolod and foreign tourists. The falls are currently closed due to recent typhoon damaging events.
These were cooking pavilions 20 years ago. This is the old bridge from my previous video about Mambukal. I thought they tore it down, but actually there's a new way to get in here. This is how we used to come down inside the cooking area.
Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, rating, and commenting. Have a great day.